Sneak. I gotta sneak. Okay, I'm not here. I'm not here. Yeah! No, I threw my withers back! I threw my withers! Okay, cool, he's not here. No, I threw it again! Alright, I'm such a noob. Boom! Cool. Quickly before the Guardian comes
Hello.
back. Cool, lucky villager. No, thank you. We need to keep an eye on the Guardian. See if he's around. Is he around? No, cool. Alrighty, we're here. And what's this? Nothing. Ah! Wait, what is that? Wait! Oh! Unable to locate. Ah! No! 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 I just can't do this! Oh, wait, where's my sign at? Alright, here we go. Come on. Come on. Oh no! Mommy! I see Mommy passing by! Oh, this is just taking
Love
too
you,
long.
Lola.
Let me just do this.
Wait, why this time we go past it?
Okay, I'm almost done, ladies and gentlemen. I'm almost done. Yes, my lucky villager. It's my lucky villager. I shall name him Tommy. Hello, Tommy. Thank you for keeping this path clear.
No, name him, name him
Listen, listen to me. You're on great danger. You need to run now and take this mushroom. No. Respawn. Okay, with the spin. Oh, what was it? Oh no. Oh, get back, get back, get back, get back. Whew, I'm safe.
Break? No.
No! It keeps coming. Alright, cool. I'm safe. No! I gotta get on the pink side. Mommy, I'm using your side. Hope you don't mind. I'll help you out and break a block for you. Oh, cool. Okay, it's just a slime house. Okay, and boing! Oh, what does that do? Run and jump? Bounce. Okay, I'm running and... Whee! Oh no! No, I'm gonna die! What? Totally got tricked right there. What? Am I spun?
Daddy.
What? I don't want to be down here. I want to be up there with the rest of the world.